No, the freaking way. What are you doing to it? Where are you going? Where are you taking it? Stop. Don't hurt it. Where are you going? Stop. Stop it. Is my desk? Yup. 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 Hey, we about to put this thotty together though.
Fuck this desk.
What?
I don't like this desk because it's not a double desk.
I don't care. Alright, so we got our lighting here sucks. Okay, we got our box. Time to open her up. Also, look, I just caught this chair. Hey, got that chair though from Sam's Club. Let me. I don't even know where to start. You don't care, I'm just gonna open it. I don't know how I'm gonna get this out of the freaking box. Okay. This is a nice desk. Okay, I unboxed everything I have right here and on the couch. But look at all this damn styrofoam all the ground. Now I have to vacuum. Then we'll build the desk. We got the instrucciones. This is what it's gonna look like when I'm done. All right, we got our parts, we got our hardware, all right here. Shit, I'm already confused. Okay, we're putting the, I'll be back. Let me figure this out, and then we start building. And we can work on it together. Okay, so according to the directions, we're gonna start with D. This part is D. Is there a difference between the inside and the outside? No, same thing. Okay, so we have this piece, 2 of them, and we're gonna put, oh, that's what these are for. I was wondering why I had 6. I don't have 6. I have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh no. I need 6. I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, why is this already stressful? Okay, don't worry. I need 5. It comes with 5. 5. It says 5, so she freaked out for no reason. Okay, I'm gonna put these bars on. Yeah. Got the right pieces. I think I know what's going on now. So yeah, we're just gonna get right into it. I'm doing this all on my own tonight. No assistance because girl power, right? Right. Why is this already so... Oh wait, I don't think this is something that goes both ways. Wait, yes it is. No, it's not. Why is this crooked? Oh. I'm really bad at reading these frickin' directions. I swear they're so confusing. Like, I can't possibly be... God, I feel really stupid. Okay, change of plans. I don't know what I'm doing. These are supposed to go on the bottom of this. Like this. So, I'm gonna go do that. Why did I be reading these instructions and like, I feel like the more I try to look at them, the more confused I get. Like, I'm so confused. Why is it so hard for my brain to like process these pictures? It's like, use words. The pictures are too confusing. Okay, a little bit later. Figured it out. Don't worry. So, now I just gotta put all these in. I'll be back when that's done. Hey! First part is done. This is the shelves part. Oh! It's shorter than I thought it was gonna be, I think. Okay, next part. Okay, finished. I'll show you what we got so far. We got the portion with the little thingies. Okay, so I'm gonna move this side table. I'm gonna move this side table because this is where the desk is gonna be going. Find a nice place for a Jesus painting. And I'll finally get to put this to use. We got all of these album covers I don't know what to do with. Oh wow. So I have this calendar right here on the wall that I was gonna take down, but it actually goes perfectly at the height. So I might leave it, I might move it so it's more visible, but we'll see. This is what the little shelves look like. Cute, I'm excited. Let's build the rest of this freaking desk now. All right. Look at what we're working with now. Ooh, we got that young outline. Now I just have to put this top part on, but this is pretty much the desk. Like the hardest part is over. I'm pretty sure I just have to screw on this top layer, but I guess after this is gonna be the big reveal. So finished desk in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And finished product. Here's the desk. Woo. Get a little close up on this fatty. Here are the shelves, and then they got a little desk action. There's a chair. 2 more shelves on the bottom. Looking good, looking good. So that took me probably about, what time is it now? Oh, okay. It's 11, so it probably took me about 2 hours to put this together all by myself. Actually, it wasn't too hard. Pretty by myself. It's a nice desk, nice and sturdy. It's small, which I actually kind of like. It's not taking up too much space. 10 out of 10, good desk. If you want to get it for yourself, I bought it from Walmart online. It's called the Elvis Student Desk, something like that. I don't know, maybe I'll put a picture of it or something, but here she is, and we love her. Now let's put some of our little decorations and stuff back up and wrap it all up. Hey. Okay, hey, it's me, I'm back. It's a couple days later, 2 days later, I want to say, and I finished decorating my little desk. For the most part, I could use a few more things, but I just wanted to show you guys the complete final result so we can wrap this video up. You ready? You ready? Alright. Let me show you. Here it is. What are you doing? So yeah, that's my desk. So it looks like. I kept the little blue decorations to match the room. I show you guys my new little painting, which you saw if you watched my last vlog. I know I told you guys, I think I said it at some point I was gonna do a room tour of this room, but I'm not gonna do that. So I guess since I'm showing you this corner, I'll give you a really, really quick speed round room tour overview of our guest room. Just cause since the desk is in here, it's done. I'll just show you what it looks like. All right, speed tour. You walk in. Boom, there's the desk, painting. We come over here, we have this mirror that I still need to mount on to this wall. We come over here, got a little corner vibe going on, little sparkly Jesus painting, side table, boom, more decorations. Here's the bed right here. We come over here, we got some cork boards, and then this wall is just covered and all of my paintings. So we have those and a couch. So that's what this room looks like. There. You're welcome. Happy now. Alright, well this pretty much brings us to the end of this video. I just wanted to bring you guys along while I built the desk and maybe give you some desk inspiration. I don't know. I don't know why anyone would care about watching me build a desk, but I hope it was entertaining if you did watch it this far. If you watch it this far, I just want to know, I'm curious. If you watch it this far, comment down below something pineapple related. It's gonna be really embarrassing if go down in the comments and there's no comments because nobody watched the video because it's long. Okay. Anyway though, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed, and if you did, please don't forget to like and comment and subscribe and click that bell because I'm not going anywhere anytime soon. Okay? What else? Hopping back on my multi-videos a week uploading schedule, so I'll be working on that. Let me know what type of content you guys want to see. You want more styling videos? You want more vlogs? Do you want... I don't know. What do you want? Let me know. Just let me know, okay? And yeah, so with all that being said, once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you on the flip. Hey!